This is the chicken wing seasoning. I like to use with a little bit of honey. Don't do like me, guys. And then some grapeseed oil. That's after you wash the chicken with some lemon juice. Put some warm water. Let it sit down so all the water could drain. And then you put your seasoning. Let's say if you wanted it to have some kick, instead of the honey only, you would add some soy sauce. That will give it some more kick. You can do honey mustard. That will give it another flavor. Okay, we make sure all of them is coated. We're going to add it in the air fryer. I would say for about 20 minutes. For about 20 minutes in the air fryer. You're going to be juicy and crispy. Remember, guys, you guys have to let your chicken, after you wash the chicken thoroughly with some lime juice and everything, you have to let it sit so all the water could drain out of it before you put the seasoning, so you don't have a bucket of water mixing with your seasoning. Okay, so there we go. I will come back later with a cute picture for you guys. We're going to eat it with either ranch or blue cheese or as is. Once again, this is the chicken wings seasoning from M Spice. Stay tuned for a picture of the end result. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Everything you see, everything is coated. Everything. It is beautiful. See you guys soon for the next recipe.